I'm going to tell you how to reduce spice in rasam. Suppose we have to prepare half a liter of rasam. You can take one medium-sized tomato, boil it, and then keep it ready. Take 2 teaspoons of tamarind puree and then add this to the mixer jar. And put the tomato also inside and then run the mixer jar with little more water. Nicely dilute it. And then add this mixture to the originally prepared rasam. Now add extra spices like hing, rasam powder, salt, etc. with a small piece of jaggery. Cook it on slow fire so that the tamarind paste is nicely cooked and gets blended well in the rasam. Now you can garnish it. I find that the extra spice is nicely adjusted. The second method, for half liter of rasam to be prepared with spice, you can cook 50 grams of tuar dal or the pigeon dal extra with a small medium-sized tomato. Now blend it nicely in a mixer jar and add this mixture to the original rasam prepared. Now add extra spices like salt, a small piece of jaggery, rasam powder, hing, etc. and then cook it nicely. Like bring it to boil and then simmer it for a few minutes. Now garnish it. You find that the extra spice here is also getting adjusted.